What's up, guys? Ivan Gan here. Welcome back to a brand new video for you guys. Today, guys, as you can see, today I am back for another banger. So I want to show you guys some of these machines here. So y'all can see the machines daily all the way over here. But hold on, we're gonna let a car come or like a thing come. Hold on. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the different ones. So we're gonna start over here. Yeah, we're gonna start here. I think this one, I do like it, but I mean it looks
Come.
nice. It looks
Mhm.
and yeah, I feel like now it is time for them to do the work, and it might come tomorrow. Who knows? It might come tomorrow or next week. But look at this. Look at this broken thing. Look at it. It's cracked. I think they have to fix this as well, right? Or they don't? I don't think. Yeah, I don't think they do. But I think they need to clean this. Everything. They need to. Yeah. And these rocks as well. Neighbors doesn't know. But yeah, we have this machine. Yeah, let's take a look at the machines here. I really like this. Yeah, guys. If you haven't seen that YouTube channel of Poopy, like what's it called? I think his Poopy. Yeah, Poopy, like the YouTuber. He was like writing that thing for the first time. But yeah, guys, there is like so much vehicles here. Like I don't even know why there's so much. Like every single one is good, but it looks like that one is two people. That one is like I think one person. I think. So this one is two people. That one's one person. Over there, I think that's like one person. So yeah, I think that's one person. But hopefully they fix the road. Okay, so guys, I want to show you the spots that they need to fix. So, starting from here, I think they need to fix like right here, like the curves thing, and then like just like you guys can see the black inside, and look at this, it leads all the way to this neighbor's thing. So yeah, I think they need to fix this. They need to fix it. Even the line. I mean, man, it feels like when cars are supposed to come like different, lines. Like the cars go this way, it's different. But cars go here, then they come back in. There's a lot of stuff. Got my house, got my beautiful house, and yeah. So I think that's the next one. So I think that one, it looks not that bad. I think they need to clean these things. They need to clean it because yeah. And when are they gonna? That's the crazy. But yeah,